What's up, everybody? This is Jay Ray. Welcome back to my channel. And this video, I'm very excited to show you something that I got recently. It's been a few months actually, but I know it's been a while since I posted videos. And my old truck died, and since then, I haven't really been able to post very many videos. I do have a few videos in the queue that I need to get edited so I can put out to you guys. But this particular video right here, I'm very excited to introduce you to my new truck. Okay guys, you ready for the reveal? Here it comes. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. As I said before, this is introducing you to my new truck. What we have right here is a 2016. This is a 4th gen Cummins truck. This is a 2500, and it is 4-wheel drive, obviously, and black, and it is a mega cab. Now, the thing I'm excited about most, I've been wanting a mega cab for many years, and my dream finally came true when I was able to purchase this truck back in February of this year, 2024. And man, I really love this thing. You got the 4-wheel drive, the 6.7 liter Cummins engine on there. It's blacked out with a sport grille. I did buy the Alpha Rex headlights and put on this truck, and I also bought some aftermarket floodlights put on this truck. They are projector LED fog lights, as well as these Alpha Rex headlights are projector LED headlights. Pretty cool. I really like them. I do have a video that I'm going to be posting soon showing you how I installed these headlights. The truck came with the projector headlights originally, and I just really didn't like the way that they didn't have enough light for me on the road. So this right here, I enjoy way better than what came stock on the truck. But man, this thing, I know it's not perfect, but to me, this is my dream truck. It does have a few dings and dents and a little bit of wear and tear because this truck is 8 years old. Like I said, it's 2016. Right now it's 2024, and I don't know the guy who had it before me, how he took care of it. I don't think he took care of it as well as what I intend to, but man, I love this thing. So there's a few features on this truck that it came with that I really like. The first one is these wheels. Got these Hostile wheels on here. These are 20-inch wheels. They're fake beadlock, not a real beadlock. 35 by 1250 R20 wheels on this. Also, as you can see here, it does have Fox shocks from BDS. It has a BDS suspension lift kit on it. So there's a new control arm there from BDS. I did try to wash the truck earlier. It's not perfect, but this will give you a good idea. And as you can see on the rear, it also has the Fox shocks 2.0s on it. This really gives the truck a really smooth ride. I really like it, and it's very comfortable for me. But like I said, it does have a few dings and dents. There's one in the driver's door, one up here on the passenger's door, kind of in between the two doors there. I don't know how that would have happened, but it's also got a dent down here in the driver's door. Not sure if you can see it in the video, but I can see it in person. And there's a few minor dents and dings around the body of the truck, but for the most part, it's pretty clean. I really like it. The tailgate here looks like it's got the worst of the damage right here on the top of the tailgate. It does have some dents and dings and a couple little minor spots right here that are starting to rust a little bit. I'm probably going to go ahead and try to touch these up with some paint, cover these spots up. Not sure if I can get that dent out because it's right on the corner there on those bends on the tailgates, and that'd be pretty tough to do. But I'm probably going to do some touch-up paint and try to make that look a little bit better. It is blacked out. Badge on the front and back is blacked out. The badges on the sides have been removed, And the truck came this way, guys. You know, I didn't take the badges off. This is how the truck came. It came with these wheels. I did have to buy new tires shortly after I got it because the ones that were on it were wore out and dry rotted. But other than that, man, this truck is pretty nice, pretty good shape, and I've been enjoying driving it ever since I purchased it. As I mentioned, it does have the sport package where the bumper and grill are paint matched black to the body of the truck, and it does have that little bit of sparkle when you get it in the sunlight, so it's got like some metallic flake in the paint job, but I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell that on the video, but I really like this thing, man. This has been a really good truck so far. So to show you the interior, guys, here, this thing is a Laramie. I'm very grateful that I was able to purchase this Laramie. You can see that there on the glove box. It does have the upper glove box and the lower glove box, and leather seats. The front seats are heated and cooled. I did have to buy some floor mats. It didn't come with floor mats, so I ended up finding these Yida Motor floor mats on Amazon, and I was able to get a pretty good price for those. I feel they're similar to the WeatherTechs, although I do think that the WeatherTechs probably have a better reputation and may fit just slightly better than what these ones do. As you can see here, it's got the 8.4-inch Uconnect screen on there. This did come with the Alpine sound system. I'm not sure if you can tell. Yeah, right there. Came with the Alpine sound system. I haven't been super impressed with the sound quality of it. So already I did take and change out the speakers that are in the dash and the speakers that are in the front doors with the speakers that were in my old truck, because I had just got that sound system sounding the way I like it. But I do like this interior. I like the configuration. There is a little bit of wear and tear on the steering wheel here and on the driver's seat, but that's not a huge deal to me. It's still a very comfortable truck to drive. You know, it's kind of, like I said, this has been my dream truck. I've always wanted the 4th Gen Mega Cab ever since I saw them come out. I just didn't know I would end up being able to get the Laramie. There is the Laramie logo in the front driver seats. Also, one thing that I really like about these trucks is all the room that you got in the back seat. Not only is there a lot of leg space here, even though the floor is not perfectly flat, you know, we do have that hump in the middle for the transmission and drivetrain going through there. It does have the ventilation in the back. It's got heated seats in the rear, and then it's also got an outlet here, you know. So one thing that I really like about these Mega Cabs is on the back seats here, they can recline. So as you can see, that reclines a pretty good distance right there. It's very comfortable. In fact, my daughter's fiance, he's 6'5", and he told me that he fits back here comfortably and has plenty of leg room. So I'm 5'9", as you can tell right here. I've got plenty of leg room myself. You know, I can extend my legs out, bend it back up in the seating position, have no problems whatsoever. I like the trim on this truck, and I also like the fact that at night time, it does have a little bit of lighting in the door. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but behind the door handle, yeah, right there's a little bit of light. And then also underneath this rear seat, let me get out and show you. Underneath the rear seat, not sure if you'll be able to tell, but there's some lighting under there at nighttime that just really helps you be able to see what you got underneath there and look around or whatever. But I really do enjoy this truck. It's been, like I said, this has kind of been a dream of mine to own one of these for several years. In fact, I've probably told my daughter for about 5 or 6 years that one of these days I was going to get a Mega Cab. And here I am. I got this Mega Cab. So not only do the rear seats recline, but they also fold down flat when you need a good surface to haul groceries or any kind of materials or whatever you might want in the back of this truck. This gives you a ton of space back here. As you can see from the front to back, man, that's just a lot of room. My wife and I have been really pleased with the amount of storage that we can get in here when we go to the store, things like that. So yeah, as you can tell, I also have these subwoofers behind the seat, and they are JL Audio, and this was a blessing as well to me to get these. Man, I'm so grateful that I found these when I did. I got a good deal on them, but I've got another video about that coming up soon, and hopefully you guys stick around and you can look out for that video coming soon on my channel. I appreciate your time, and wish you guys the best. It does haul my trailer very well. In fact, we're driving down the highway, my wife and I, when we were moving, and one of the tires on my trailer blew out, and we didn't even feel anything. We didn't hear it blow out, didn't feel anything. It just felt smooth. We were driving down the road, and unfortunately, the tire blew out. A lot of people, thankfully, drove by, and they were kind of flagging us and trying to tell us that the tire blew out. So we were able to find an exit pretty close to where we were at, and figured out that the trailer tire was blown out, and we were able to get that changed. But I do enjoy this truck, and it's been one of my dreams to own a Mega Cab for several years, and I'm so grateful I was finally able to get one. Well guys, I'm going to end the video here. This is introduction to my new truck. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Tell me what you think about the new truck on comments below, and hopefully you'll be seeing a lot more content come from my channel soon. Like I said, I do have 3 or 4 videos right now that I need to finish editing so I can get them out, but I wanted to put this video first to show you the new truck. So not also do the rear seats fold down. All right guys, I'm gonna